Hi, I would like to say a few words about diabetes. What is diabetes? It's a condition where the glucose levels in your blood are too high. Because one of the main reasons for that is because your pancreas does not produce enough insulin, which is needed for the glucose to enter the cells in your body. This condition is also known as insulin resistance. Do you know what's insulin? Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas. Its main function is to maintain proper blood sugar levels. It allows the glucose to enter the body and to be transported into the cells, where it's transformed into energy for the muscles and tissues. It also helps the cells to store the glucose until it's needed. Lots of people trying different remedies to control their diabetes to keep it at the right levels. You probably were not aware that nearly 380 million people around the world have diabetes. Did you know that people dying from diabetes, the figure is a lot higher than AIDS and breast cancer, combined, claiming the life of one American every 3 minutes? It is a leading cause of blindness, kidney failure, amputations, heart failure, and stroke. And remember, if you suffer from diabetes, it's very important for you to keep your blood sugar levels at a normal range in order to function properly. What you need to do is eat healthy and live a healthy lifestyle. Try to do some light exercise. Walking is very good for your body. Here is the recipe that will help you lower your blood sugar levels in only 5 days. And trust me, you'll be amazed by the results. You will need the following ingredients: 1 green apple, 2 carrots, 3 handfuls of spinach, 2 stalks of celery. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to wash and peel the apple and then the carrots. After that, you need to remove the seeds from the apple. Place all the ingredients into a blender or a juice and mix well. How to use it: you should drink this mixture every morning on an empty stomach. This mixture will help normalize the blood sugar levels and lower the blood pressure. About the ingredients. Green apples are loaded with malic acid, which is extremely effective in lowering blood sugar levels. Carrots are very healthy and are loaded with many nutrients, which can help you treat impaired vision and help you regulate your blood sugar levels. Spinach is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium. Celery is loaded with magnesium and potassium. They are great for preventing high blood pressure. Note: if you want to keep your blood sugar levels under control, then you have to consume this drink each morning.